How much do you think Telegram pays channel owners? Here in this video, I'm going to break down the exact amount Telegram paid me as channel owner on Telegram with about 120,000 subscribers, whether it's worth it or it doesn't worth it. So we will find out in this video. Telegram monetization is basically a new feature that Telegram just introduced, whereby channel owners must have 1,000 subscribers or more to be eligible for Telegram monetization. So Telegram plays adverts in your channel so that the number of impressions, then the cost per mile that will come on that particular advert, Telegram will pay you revenue. And Telegram payments, unlike other payments, uses the cryptocurrency, that's Ton, Telegram Open Network. So Telegram actually pays in Ton. It's a cryptocurrency into your Telegram wallet. So Telegram also has an inbuilt Telegram wallet whereby you receive your funds inside, and later on you can do P2P or send it to an external wallet like the Trust wallet, your Binance, your OK wallet, or Bybit. Going straight to my monetization, and I'll show you the amount of money I'm able to accumulate every single day and the number of times I've been able to withdraw from my Telegram channel. Make sure you stick to this video and watch to the end. The estimated amount of money I make in my Telegram channel is around $2 to $3. And when you come closer to the month of, when you come closer, let's use this month, starting off this month. You can see Telegram's reward is always in Ton. Telegram's reward is always in Ton. And on the 1st January, I made 0.28725 Ton. And the price of 1 ton is currently, the price of 1 ton is $5 and above. Previously, the price of 1 ton was equivalent to $7, going to $8. But because of some circumstance, the ton value has decreased. So when you look inside my Telegram channel, you can see every day I make closely to 0.2 ton. And in some days I can make 0.4 ton and the rest. So let's say approximately every day I'm able to accumulate $3 in my Telegram channel without doing anything. And the threshold for this withdrawal is 10 ton. So if you're able to accumulate 10 ton, then you can be eligible for withdrawal. And also when it comes to revenue, you can see I have stars here, revenue stars. So the stars are the gifts that people have been donating to my channel, subscribing with paid reactions and the rest. That's the stars over here. So, and also when you check my available balance since monetization, I've been able to make an accumulated amount of 64.86 ton, which is equivalent to $350. And the amount of stars that I have is 5.53 stars. And also when you check my total balance that I'll be able to withdraw, I have $9.49 also here. So Telegram monetization is actually picking up a bit here, okay. And to withdraw, you just have to withdraw it into your Telegram wallet. So if you want to withdraw, you have to withdraw it into your Telegram wallet, and you can later send it to Binance, Bybit, or any other exchanges. Then you will withdraw your money, or you can do P2P in the Telegram wallet itself. So when you check down here, you can see my transactions for the previous month. So you can see my reward per every month. Immediately you hit the threshold of 10 ton, you will be able to withdraw. So that's basically the amount of money Telegram has been able to pay me with channel over 120k. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the bell icon so you don't miss any updates that I bring to you.